Today we are in the GymBeam office and we will be going through the warehouse and see how GymBeam is utilizing Keboola and especially data gathered from the warehouse inside the Keboola to make a better decisions faster.
Hi, my name is Dalibor Cicman. I'm a founder and CEO of GymBeam. We are one of the fastest growing e-commerce companies in the Central and Eastern Europe region. Logistics is one of the biggest challenges for any fast-growing e-commerce businesses. We have a software for turnstile system and for conveyor system. The second big challenge in logistics is managing hundreds of employees. I think the big help in this area has been Keboola. In Keboola, we integrate with the turnstile system. When our colleagues arrive and use this turnstile, it generates a data point and we start calculating their work hours for a payroll. And I want to introduce our logistic director, Alex Salai. Alex is responsible for all logistics in our company and show you in a bigger detail. Our logistics director oversees efficiency of entire logistic operation.
Well, hello, and I'm excited to show you around our warehouse.
Okay, nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you. So let's start as a picker in our warehouse. So this is maybe the most fun and most interesting part of the job that we are doing here. Every employee in picking has this orange vest, so we can clearly recognize who is belonging to this department. Next, you can see that we have here a lot of devices which we are using for the picking process. So I have one ready for you. Please,
thank you very much.
You can place it on your arm. Please choose the picker app, which we are using for the picking process. Please use the QR code that you have on your card, and you are in. Now you will choose the level where you want to pick, and we have to move to the picking, so upstairs to level 3.
This Android device gives him instruction where he can work on which part of this warehouse and track performance of our colleague. During the day, our colleagues move between different stations in a warehouse and we collect many data points tracking where they are working. From that, we perform a real-time calculation of efficiency of each sub-department within logistics.
Okay, so as a picker now your job will be quite easy. You just have to choose next order on the device, and device already is telling you what you need to do, so please take the box and let's go.
Let's go.
Here we incorporate data from our accounting software and our wage calculation. From that, we calculate how much we pay for 1 minute of our colleague in this warehouse, and we figure it out daily wage KPI.
Now please confirm the position where we are.
I will scan the code.
Okay. And now please scan the product which you are taking. Take it.
This one.
And the second one.
The second one.
And we can move to next position.
Following that, calculation continues, integrating with our accounting software. Based on this data, our managers can make decisions about efficiency of different parts of our warehouse. Then we can assign this package on the conveyor system.
Okay, our order is ready. Now you have to scan the box. Okay, and put it on the conveyor belt. And that's it.
Many data points are generated from all parts of conveyor system. For example, today cost per order is about €2. We gather so much data from these various data points through Keboola. For instance, that inbound logistic cost for a specific package is about 50 cents. Picking cost might be €1, and here is an outbound. It could be another 50 cents. Based on this information, we can determine which part of logistics is more effective today and which is less so. This data-driven approach helped us grow from 0 to €200 million in revenues in less than 10 years.